Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Printful to Shopify. The first thing to do is to log into your Printful account or sign up for a free one with your name, email, and password. Next, ensure you're logged into your Shopify store admin in a separate tab. Ensure that you're logged into your Shopify store admin in a separate tab. You have a Shopify account, but ensure that you're doing that. Next thing to do is to head into Shopify's left sidebar and click Apps. Then click on Add Apps. In the Shopify App Store, search for Printful and click Install. Grant any required permissions. Shopify will then redirect you back to Printful. So once you get into Printful, Printful will walk you through connecting your Shopify store. A pop-up prompt, connect to Shopify, select your store. Now, confirm the connection and watch Shopify and Printful sync. In Printful, go ahead and click Stores, which is in the left navigation panel. Then select the Shopify store, which will be added already. Then select Add Product. Now, browse Printful's catalog and select an item to sell, like a tree or mug. Use the design maker to upload or customize your artwork. Choose print settings, colors, and sizes. Click Proceed to Media, then pick Markup Styles, Flat Lay, Lifestyle, or Models. Then proceed to the description. Customize titles and product descriptions to match your brand voice. Set your profit margin and price under the Pricing tab. Choose currency and desired markup. Then click Submit to Store. Your products will automatically appear in your Shopify admin user products. Double check in Shopify. Go to Product in Shopify. Click your new item and confirm there are proper variants, images, and descriptions. In Shopify, enter your payment gateway, Shopify payments, PayPal, etc. Ensure that it is configured under Settings and under Payment. In Printful, you can just go to Billing. Select More, select Billing, and once you select Billing Method and add your preferred payment method so orders can be processed. Once a customer places an order, Shopify sends it automatically to Printful. Printful fulfills and ships the product under your branding. You'll be charged only for fulfillment and shipping, never upfront inventory fees. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.